Hello, everyone! Do you want to improve your English speaking using shadowing? Do you want to feel more confident in real conversations? Today, we'll practice English using a gentle first date story. We'll use a method called shadowing to help you listen carefully, repeat naturally, and speak with confidence. This lesson is perfect for English speaking practice, daily conversations, and A2, A2+ learners. First, I will say the sentence. You just listen. Second, there will be a short pause so you can process the sound. Third, you can shadow with me or repeat right after me. Let's warm up with 3 key sentences from our romantic story. Sentence 1. Today, I have a first date and I feel excited. Today, I have a first date and I feel excited. Sentence 2. We talk easily and the conversation feels natural. We talk easily and the conversation feels natural. Sentence 3. Simple words help us feel closer to each other. Simple words help us feel closer to each other. Wonderful! Now you're ready. Let's dive into the complete first date story and enjoy this shadowing lesson together.
Part 1. First person. Gentle start. My name is Anna, and I live by the sea. My name is Anna, and I live by the sea. I love quiet mornings and soft light. I love quiet mornings and soft light. I start my day with coffee at home. I start my day with coffee at home. I work in a cozy cafe downtown. I work in a cozy cafe downtown. Every day I talk to many people. Every day I talk to many people. I enjoy simple talks and warm smiles. I enjoy simple talks and warm smiles. Today feels a little different for me. Today feels a little different for me. I wake up early and feel excited. I wake up early and feel excited. The weather is warm and calm. The weather is warm and calm. It feels like the season of love, close to Valentine's Day. It feels like the season of love, close to Valentine's Day. I choose a light and comfortable dress. I choose a light and comfortable dress. I look in the mirror and smile. I look in the mirror and smile. I feel nervous but calm inside. I feel nervous but calm inside. Today I have a first date. Today I have a first date. Before leaving, I check my phone. Before leaving, I check my phone. A short message is waiting for me. A short message is waiting for me. He writes that he is happy to see me. He writes that he is happy to see me. I take a deep breath and relax. I take a deep breath and relax. I put on my shoes and take my bag. I put on my shoes and take my bag. The day ahead feels warm and special. The day ahead feels warm and special. Part 2. First date conversation.
We meet near a small coffee shop. We meet near a small coffee shop. He greets me with a gentle smile. He greets me with a gentle smile. We say hello and laugh softly. We say hello and laugh softly. The moment feels easy and real. The moment feels easy and real. We order coffee and sit by the window. We order coffee and sit by the window. He asks me about my work. He asks me about my work. I tell him about the cafe I love. I tell him about the cafe I love. I say I enjoy meeting new people. I say I enjoy meeting new people. He listens and looks at me carefully. He listens and looks at me carefully. I feel comfortable talking to him. I feel comfortable talking to him. I ask him about his hobbies. I ask him about his hobbies. He says he likes walking and music. He says he likes walking and music. We talk about songs we enjoy. We talk about songs we enjoy. Sometimes we laugh at small things. Sometimes we laugh at small things. The silence between us feels warm. The silence between us feels warm. I notice his kind eyes. I notice his kind eyes. I feel safe and relaxed with him. I feel safe and relaxed with him. Time passes faster than I expect. Time passes faster than I expect. The coffee tastes familiar and sweet. The coffee tastes familiar and sweet. Our conversation flows naturally. Our conversation flows naturally. Part 3. Feelings, kiss, and reflection. We decide to take a short walk together. We decide to take a short walk together. The street feels quiet and peaceful. The street feels quiet and peaceful. I talk about my dreams for the future. I talk about my dreams for the future. I want a simple and happy life. I want a simple and happy life. He shares his thoughts with honesty. He shares his thoughts with honesty. We discover many things in common. We discover many things in common. I feel more confident with every step. I feel more confident with every step. I speak freely and without fear. I speak freely and without fear. The walk makes me feel lighter. The walk makes me feel lighter. I enjoy this moment deeply. I enjoy this moment deeply. We stop near my home. We stop near my home. There is a soft pause between us. There is a soft pause between us. He leans closer and kisses me gently. He leans closer and kisses me gently. It is my first kiss, and it feels warm and real. It is my first kiss, and it feels warm and real. He thanks me for the evening. He thanks me for the evening. I thank him with a warm smile. I thank him with a warm smile. I feel proud of myself. I feel proud of myself. Simple moments can bring hearts closer. Simple moments can bring hearts closer. I go home feeling peaceful. I go home feeling peaceful. I know this is a beautiful beginning. I know this is a beautiful beginning.
And that's it. You did an amazing job today. You just practiced a full English story about a first date and simple everyday conversations. Now you can use these phrases to talk about feelings, small talks, and real-life situations. Using shadowing like this helps you listen carefully, speak naturally, and remember phrases more easily. If you enjoyed this calm and romantic practice, please support this video with a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me create more stories and lessons for you. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep shadowing and speaking step by step, and I'll see you in the next story. Bye for now.